Hey, it's JJ from the MMA and Sports Extreme Show with Last Call. What's up, brother?
How you doing?
Well, I'll tell you what, you did a great job in there. We've been following John Kolish all the way through his amateur and pro career, and he's a great fighter. He won 8 straight fights, pro fights, until he met you, and you looked really good in there. You won all 3 cards. I thought it was a great fight, challenged you. Now you're ready to think for the main card at the UFC.
Yeah, I want to get off these prelims, you know, expecting an easier fight than I had. John Kolish is a talented dude with a bright future. You know, my hat's off to him. He did a great job in avoiding my strikes, and you know, he had great footwork. And every time I felt like I was closing the gap, he was gone, and I had to reset. And you know, it's some things I have to work on. But you know, I'm excited about the win, and you know, looking for my next fight.
For the smart MMA fans out there, martial art fans, we realized what was going on in that ring. There was a cage. There was 3 rounds of a lot of thinking. There was actually more thinking than actually fighting it sometimes. And you could see how each one of you was jockeying for position. He was trying his jiu-jitsu. You were looking for the knockout, but also you could see your jiu-jitsu was better than it's been. You've obviously been working on that. We've been talking about this on the MMA and Sports Extreme Show. It seems like a lot of fans don't understand the hard work that martial arts is and the different disciplines that go into that. So my question is, how is your reaction to when you hear booing when both fighters are actually doing the best they can and they're really jockeying for position? I get personally offended by it.
Yeah, it's kind of frustrating, but again, there's only 2 guys in that cage, and you know, I'm worried about what John is doing, not necessarily what the crowd is doing. It's a letdown for me. You know, I don't want to be booed. I want to be an exciting fighter, but at the same time, the most important thing to me is the win and 2 checks. So you know, I could take chances and lose, or I could fight a smart fight, stick to the game plan, and deposit 2 checks on Monday morning.
Yeah, I was very impressed. I've seen him win 8 straight fights and finishing off in the 3rd round, and you actually got a little stronger in the 3rd round and fought off a couple of his submission attempts. Even at the end, you could try to get an ankle lock, but you did a great job there.
Yeah, thanks. Again, he's very talented. You know, his wrestling is great. His jiu-jitsu is really strong as well. But you know, I felt like I was a better man. I've been doing this. This is my 13th fight with Zuffa. I've been doing this for a long time. So again, he's got a bright future. But I'm just, you know, I'm a vet.
No, I agree. I'm actually looking forward to doing an interview with him because I think you're going to make him a better fighter.
Definitely. And you know, if you don't take good from a loss, and you know, you're in the wrong sport, because everybody loses in this sport. I don't care who you are. There's no undefeated champion right now. And you know, hopefully he'll learn from his mistakes, and he'll be back stronger than ever, which I'm pretty sure that's going to happen because he's a tough dude.
Well, all the fans of the MMA and Sports Extreme Show, love having you on, and can't wait to see you on the main card.
Thanks so much. I appreciate it.